Hey guys, this is the 10.1 lightweight Ulefone Tab W10. It comes with stunning features like a 3.5 headphone jack, a memory extension card slot, and more. Perfect for all your multimedia needs. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have some paper guides and manuals, a Type A to Type C charging cable, and a 10-watt charging adapter. But the star of the show is definitely the sleek 10 inches. The enhanced TPU back case provides protection. Let me show you the TPU back case. It looks very nice. With this tablet, it provides protection and give you very nice look. Let's talk about the design. It's not just tough, it looks good too. Available in a sophisticated space gray finish, weighing only 436 grams and measuring a slim 7.85 mm. It's comfortable to hold, making it the ideal companion whether you are at a coffee shop or on a work trip. But the star of the show is definitely this sleek 10.1-inch Ulefone Tab W10 and a 91% screen to body ratio, making everything from watching Netflix to browsing the web or colorful experience. On the battery side, it comes with 6600 mAh battery and 10-watt charging. And this Tab W10 keeps you powered throughout the day. Under the hood, you will find the Unisoc T606 chipset paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 126 GB of ROM, expandable up to 1 TB. It is necessary for a lot of people who like to store lots of data in the tablet. I think this setup can handle demanding tasks smoothly for your work and scores an impressive 222,287 on Antutu. It runs on the latest Android 14. The size of the screen is perfect for reading who like to read on tablet, and it's not that big. For audio, the dual stereo speakers deliver a great experience, and it even includes a 3.5 mm headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. Plus, it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5G Wi-Fi for speedy connectivity. Lastly, on the front you will get 5 megapixel. This tab offers you 8 megapixel rear camera, which let you capture moments with decent quality, whether you are snapping photos or scanning documents. So there you have it, an impressive blend of style, performance and durability with the Ulefone Tab W10. If you think this tablet is good enough for you, you can go to the website through the link I put in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think about this tablet. See you in the next video. Bye. I was not expecting a lot from this 5 megapixel front camera from Ulefone Tab W10. I'm recording this video at 720p 30 fps and this is the max you can go. This is the result from front camera. Now I'm recording a video from back camera of Ulefone Tab W10. 1080p at 30 fps. Let me see, can it go zoom? Oh yeah, it can go zoom till 10x. This is 10x. Still, it can go that much far. I didn't expect that. 10K and this is 1.0x. Oh, the colors fluctuate.